Want to get rid of that annoying keyboard typing sound on your Samsung Galaxy? You are in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you the fastest way to turn off keyboard sound on you can type quietly without distraction. Let's jump in the fix it in just a few taps. So first of all, open the settings app. Once your settings app is open, scroll down, find the sound and vibration menu, tap to open there. In this menu, you can scroll down slowly, locate the system sound option, tap on it. Here you can see all of system sound available there, such as task interaction, dialing keypad, Samsung keyboard, charging, screen lock or unlock sound. If you decide to turn off Samsung keyboard sound, so find the Samsung keyboard option, tap on the toggle switch, turn it off, and that's it. Your Samsung keyboard is now silent and distraction free. To check it work, you can open any messaging file such as search bar, message app, WhatsApp, Messenger. Type anything, for example subscribe, and this time no typing sound appeared there. If this guide helped, please like, subscribe and turn on notification for more simple Samsung tips and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.